Hi, this is Ali from CreateJet 3D Labs. In this project, we will discuss how you can read your room temperature using IoT and blynk app. Now we will see how this project is work. Hello guys, this project is temperature calculator using DHT11 sensor and Nodemcu. Here we have programmed to Nodemcu, which is also known as Wi-Fi module, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Here we have programmed to read the value of DHT11 sensor, and here it will read the value of the sensor and send to the blynk app. Now we are going to give power supply to the Nodemcu board. From using power bank, we are providing power supply to this Nodemcu board. Here this is blynk app. Okay, and this is showing the current temperature that is increasing and decreasing according the room temperature. Okay, thank you guys. If you like our video, please subscribe us.